Today we continue on our basement project. So if you didn't watch the day that I paint the ceiling in black, here it is. You guys love it so much that you guys asking me, to show more of this little project. Today what I'm gonna do is actually, for you of course it's gonna be the same upload, but for me it's gonna be 2 days because I wanna grab the material today. Today's Friday night and I wanna get this done Saturday morning. So what's gonna happen is, see that wall here? We're gonna do like the brick panel on it. I think it's just the cheapest way. Again, it's a basement. I'm not going crazy. I don't want to spend too much money on it, but I want to get something cool. So we're gonna do the entire wall from there to there. Maybe we're gonna do that part too, depending how that goes and how much material I have. So now I'm going to Home Depot. I told you, Home Depot is like my second house. Why not a cold start, right? Yeah. She has been sitting for like 2 days. Other thing I want to tell you guys, we are in the daylight savings kind of thing. I don't like it, but it is what it is. I know the camera I'm looking here looks very bright, but it's not. It's getting dark sooner now, so you're gonna see a lot. I'm talking inside my garage and all the stuff, right? So it is what it is. It's winter. Look at that. Why I'm doing this brick and not painting? It's because painting you have to deal with too much stuff, and I want to try something different. I'll probably do the floor a little bit every day at night, so that helps, so I don't spend like entire day or entire weekend on doing it. We'll see how that goes once we get the material, right? Well, we are here at Home Depot and that's the perks of a short bed. So thank the Lord that those panels, they are very light. But yeah, we're here at Home Depot at night and look at that. What do you think? Should take a picture, right? I got what I need. At least it's not that cold. I attach everything to the bed and we should be good to go back home. I just want to share with you guys how is the problem of the short bed. That's it. That's why I'm shopping for OBS. It's so nice when I drive this truck. You guys know I love my Corvette though, but there's nothing like driving my truck. I don't know, I have such attachment to this truck that feels really good to drive, you know what I'm saying? Like I really have I clean my mind when I drive the truck though. It's like unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Like, it's so much fun. So we made it back home. Now it's just unloaded and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 2. So we're gonna start the project. It's gonna be really quick, at least for you guys. I don't know for me. And to be honest, I don't think I got enough panels. But we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna start from here to there, because the reason why, it's because here I want a clean cut, and whatever is left there, it is there. And I'm saying here is like, you come from the door to that direction so you can go upstairs. So I wanted that wall kind of looking nice, you wish. Just for information, this is not a cheap project. I mean, it is cheap, but not that cheap. And one thing I want to avoid is try to tape over here, you know what I'm saying? And sand it. It's too much mess. I think that's a way cleaner project than actually painting. That's why I'm trying. It's a little bit more expensive, but I think it's worth, as far as time goes and mess, I think it's definitely worth. So first thing we need to do, we need to clean all this stuff, and just like that, it's clean. So we have like a blank canvas now to work with. So what I want to do also, you see here, there's no outlet in that wall, and the main thing I need to do is I need at least 2 outlets, because we're gonna have a treadmill, maybe a TV over here, and here in my basement I have only 1 outlet. See, I might get another one over there, and if you're asking who's gonna get it, I might pay an electrician to do this, depending how that goes. I know kind of how to do it, but what I want to do now is just leave the boxes there, so whenever the electrician comes, it is ready for him just to put the wire in. So I got 2 of those. They are like $3. It is kind of simple because you see there are marks here where the studs are. The only thing we need to do is mark like 12 inches from here. And it's more or less, it doesn't need to be exactly. Dude, remember this is a basement, I'm not going crazy, right? One there, the other one there. So now when I have the electrician here, it's gonna be easier because, you know, the boxes are already there. So very easy. You see how that goes? I use this saw here, but I mean, you can just cut it. It's just because I'm lazy. All right, now to the panels. As I said, we're gonna start from here. The first thing I need to do, I need to measure. What I'm gonna use to attach it, it's glue, liquid nails. We're gonna put on the entire panel, and also I'm gonna use 1/4 screws that you normally use it for drywall. That's what I'm gonna use. I hope it works. The panels, they have exactly 96 inches, which is basically 8 feet, but my wall, it's a little short, a 3-inch short, so we are like 9.3, 9.2 ish. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a cut on the panel, and the first one should go in easy, I hope. I wish. So, in other words, you saw how cutting was so much easier with that saw, wearing safety glass. Now I'm gonna apply the glue, and we're gonna call the first one done. Panel 1, it is in. Look from here, you cannot even tell it's like a fake wall. So you guys saw I put it like nail liquid, and I put it like on the bottom, on top, but you still need screws. I'm using those dry wall screws, which is it's like the small you can get. So I put like 3 on the bottom and 1 in each corner, so this thing is not going anywhere. So now let's I think the challenge here is gonna be the junction. You know, they match each other. That's gonna be the challenge for sure. Of course I want to look as good as possible, like, but it's not gonna be perfect by any means, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing the way the cheapest way is possible, which is not really cheap, but hey, what you can do now, you do everything to make your wife happy, and that's actually what I'm doing. The wall is done. What do you guys think? Huh? So of course we need to, you know, trim the door, a better finish. And look at that, dude. Oh, love it, love it. Step by step we're gonna get this thing done. Now what I need to do, it's I need to paint the door. This one. I need to paint that one, and also the stairs that goes upstairs. I don't know if I should have done that wall too, but it looks killer. What do you guys think? That's it, boys. One more project for the books. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it or you don't like it. Again, I'm gonna keep sharing. If you guys watch, I'm gonna keep sharing this project. I can't wait to have this thing done. And once we are done with this entire basement, we're gonna attack the garage floor, which I'm still debating what I should do. So let me know what is the best option. Of course, that tile for garage, it's very pricey, but we have epoxy. I can do epoxy by myself, but we'll see. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this upload about my other project, and as always, thanks so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, subscribe, and if you're an OG subscriber, smash that like. I will see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.